Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a fun video, at least it's fun for me, and it is a Walmart haul. I did one of these in the summertime. It was a bikini haul, and this time I have the fall version of that. And I got this video idea from Tonis or Sevdalis. I'll leave her link down below. She's amazing, and I draw a lot of inspo from her style, so I thought that I would do my own version of looking bougie at Walmart, and I found some amazing things. The best part about Walmart, I mean, first of all, they have every single size, so they have an extra small all the way up to like a 4XL. Second of all, it's convenient. Third of all, it's super duper cheap. But lately, Walmart has been kind of stepping up their game, and I have a few things that I want to show you, and I'm also going to be showing you how I style them. It's going to be a try-on video as well. If the wig is aggressive, just let it be. Don't look at it. Just let the wig be, okay? If it's making you a little uncomfortable, then you know. Alright, so I'm going to start off with tops first. So the first top I got is this one that I'm wearing right now. I thought it was so super cute. Like, look at these details. I tied it up myself, and then it has like this little mesh lining. I love this so much that I got it in the gray color as well. I thought the gray would look so cute with a classic pair of denim. Just to throw on in the winter. It's really soft, and I believe these were $8.97 or $9, not more than 10, and you really can't beat the quality and price of those. So this next top I got for you guys, I'm not gonna lie, this is just like this blue flowy boho-y shirt, and the reason why I got this, not only for my YouTube video, but I wanted to kind of see if it resembles something that I could get at Nordstrom Rack, Free People, and it does. I think that it looks amazing. It's a peasant top, as you guys can see. Look how amazing it looks with jeans or leggings. I feel like you could really dress this up, and it's a really nice top for someone that has like a business casual workplace. You know, you could wear it with slacks or whatever. I might even give this to my mom once I've worn it a few times. And I believe that this was, I know that this was $7. I got it on clearance. I just have a basic white tank top, and I always buy my tank tops and my basics from Walmart. People ask me where I get my thin strapped tank tops and stuff from. Walmart. This one is a new material. I haven't had this one before. It's like a stretchy, like a modal material. It's in a size extra small, and I believe it was $1.19 or $2, something like that. You can never have enough basics, and these look great tucked in to a pair of jeans or honestly into anything. White is like my color. I love it so much. Clearly white is my favorite color because I have two other shirts that are white. So this one is just a thermal, and I wanted to show you guys this because this is something that is a repurchase for me. I buy these pretty often. I love Walmart thermals. Why can't I speak? They just feel really nice. They're super thick. They're like a waffle knit material, and they look good with anything, really. I mean, what wouldn't this look good with? And again, I don't know the price of this, but it was around like $4 to $5, I want to say. It's turtleneck time, baby, and we have one from Walmart, and I love it so much. It is the perfect turtleneck material. Nothing short of H&M, Zara, or anything like that. It was $11.86. I should have bought more colors. I might go back. It feels so nice. I usually buy my turtlenecks from Zara, and the ribbed part right over here rips. I don't know why, but I pay $30 for those turtlenecks. So if these end up looking amazing and fit like the Zara ones, then I'm just gonna go ahead and buy all of the Walmart ones. They had green, they had burgundy, white, and a black one as well. But of course, as I said, love the color white, so I went with the white one. This shirt reminded me of something that you would see at like Forever 21 or Pretty Little Thing, tucked into any kind of jeans or slacks. There's something about this type of material, the one that has like the ribs but it's very thicker, that makes you look a little bit more sophisticated. I like dressing these up with accessories, and I don't know, I just really like the quality of the shirt. I know that a lot of these things are pretty basic, but I wanted to show you guys things that you can buy that can be a part of your capsule wardrobe, like stuff that you wear all the time. And this is something that you can literally get so many wears out of. It's ridiculous. And it was $10. All right, guys, I have one more top. So this top I thought was so cute, so schoolgirl, like, hey, what's up? It's knit material, so it is a little bit heavier. And it just has like this really cute horizontal stripe to it. And I thought it would look so cute with like sweatpants or jeans. I think I want to wear these with some sweatpants that I also have in this Walmart haul. But yeah, very, very cute. And this actually was $9.96. They had different colorways as well. So now onto the pants. I only have two. So the first ones that I have are these workout leggings. I really liked the colorway. I really loved how they were kind of like what is it called? Like the lines of it are kind of slimming. They're high-waisted. They weren't exactly what I was looking for. I wanted to find you guys like a really good dupe for like a Gymshark legging or something, but these look pretty high-end and I'm very excited. Like, I think they look so good with a white tank top, just like the one I got from Walmart, which is probably the one you guys are seeing me in the cutaway of. So there's that. And these were actually $16.96, or a little bit more expensive because they are activewear. As far as clothes go, this is the last thing. I have been in search of these sweatpants for many months, and it's just a pair of black sweatpants. They always, okay, I'm gonna just show you guys the label. It's the Time and True ones in a size small, and it's the one with the cinched leg. They have these all the time, but they never have a size small. They always have like a size extra large. These are the perfect Kim K, Yeezy vibes, wear with sneakers, wear with heels, like everything sweatpant. I love it so much more than my ones that I got from Pretty Little Thing. These shoes, because they reminded me of the Fila shoes that everybody has. These were $18 and they are so comfortable. They're some of the most comfortable shoes I've ever put my foot in. And I don't know, I thought they were cool dupes, and they do look really awesome with my outfit. These shoes I had to show because I literally have 17 pairs of these shoes. They're my favorite pair of shoes ever on earth. Like, no Gucci, no Common Projects. I love these. They are $5, $6 with tax and everything. They're canvas, they look like Keds, and I wear them pretty much everywhere, and I don't worry about getting them dirty because guess what? You can throw them in the washer. I've washed some of mine like 10 times and they still look amazing. So if you find these at your Walmart, pick up a pair. So for this next one, I'm stupid and I didn't actually film me hauling it, but it's actually one of my favorite pieces and it was only $10. They have all colors that you can possibly imagine. It really reminds me, like Tony said, of the half zip I have from Pretty Little Thing, and I believe that was around $20. I love it. It's in a Sherpa material. There's a drawstring on the bottom and you can adjust it accordingly. I got mine in a size, I believe, small or extra small, but they have sizes up to 4XL like I said. As far as accessories go, I didn't pick up much. I picked up some ankle socks. I thought these were cool. They kind of show out right above your ankle socks. And then this amazing belt with this chain. I thought it was so on trend, so cute. It was $10, not super cheap, but I am pretty happy with it. Alright guys, so that is it for my Walmart looking bougie on a budget fall haul. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you next time. Bye!